You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To take the blade off, place it perpendicular to the arm and push. To avoid any risk, put the arm delicately onto the windscreen. Before doing that, place a fold of kitchen roll on the windscreen to protect it.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new blade. To put the new one, simply slide the blade onto its housing. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Lift the wiper blade arm up. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, clip the blade into its housing. Put the wiper arm back. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.